a confession. For me, in this time of great sadness, it's really hard to celebrate the award, which I just got. In the times when far right is on the rise in Europe, in the times when Georgian government accepted a terrible law which is trying to shut down critical voices, in the times when 20 million of women in Europe, what else around the world, don't have access to free and accessible abortion, in the times of one of the most terrible massacres in modern history, where more than 35,000 Palestinians were brutally killed, it's really hard to stand here. But I have a group of best friends, which is my Slovenian team. And this team taught me something really important. Then, in the times of the greatest sadness, in the times of the greatest despair, a small opportunity of hope opens up. And a group of best friends can change the world. If they stick to the humanity, if they listen to each other and to other voices, if they believe that the change is possible, and that if they stick with their values, they create an opportunity for change. And in these times of great sadness, I'm holding up to these voices of hope, to the brave students in American universities who are speaking up against genocide. To people who are fighting against authoritarian systems with hope and positive content and kindness. I'm holding up to the protesters on Georgian streets who are doing everything to prevent their country from being kidnapped by a small group of people in power. I'm holding up to the women of the movement My Voice, My Choice, which are trying to do everything to protect abortion on European level. And if you want to remember one thing about my small but really beautiful and awesome country, Slovenia, is that if a group of different voices unite, they can do impossible. They create an avalanche which is bringing change and which can bring hope and a better condition for our lives. This award does not belong to me. This award belongs to a group of my best friends, to my Slovenian team, also to my international team, and to every single voice that is loud, even when it is hard, even when it is awkward, and is doing the right thing. Together we can change something, and I can promise you one thing, we won't stop. Thank you.